Hi, I'm Beth from Restyled Pieces Boutique. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an easy and fun project. I thrifted this stone planter, and actually it came with a plant stand too, and it was pretty cheap, but it needed some love, a lot of love. But this is an easy video to take your stone planter into and turn it into something that will be beautiful in your home. So if you want to watch this makeover, stay tuned. I thrifted this stone planter, and I also got a nice stand with it. But when I was looking at it, I didn't like the colors. I like the texture of the leaves, and it's in good condition as far as no cracks or anything. But look at that brown stuff. I don't know if it's like dirt ground in or rust, or I'm not sure, but I'm going to try to get rid of it. I used my Dawn Extra on it to try to clean the inside off, and then I'm going to try to clean the outside off. And we'll see where we are. After scrubbing and scrubbing, we weren't very much further. So I'm using my Pure Power by Farmhouse Paint. It's a cleaner degreaser. It gets crud off, and we're gonna see if it can do a little better at least. I used a scrub brush, and I just went over those places. I didn't want to crack or break any of the little raised places on this piece, but I used different scrub brushes, and it's better, but it's still not what I wanted it to be. So I'm gonna rinse that, let it dry, and I'm going to be priming it first to see if I can just kill whatever it is in there and paint over it. So I'm using Rust-Oleum 2x flat white primer to prime this piece. I'm going to do a couple of coats of this and see if I can kind of just get it in a nice neutral palette for me to paint with my paint. So I'm definitely doing that outside. This is an oil-based primer, and it's pretty easy to spray, and you can see the texture is showing up when I make that all one color, so I'm pretty excited about that at this point. I let that primer dry about an hour, and then I'm going to be painting it in one of my favorite colors. This is Hybrid Beige by Farmhouse Paint. It's in their Evolution line. It is a one paint. You don't need any top coat because it is very durable, and it has a beautiful color. It goes on smoothly. The coverage is just amazing. This is just the first coat, and I am going to do 2 coats, but it is just amazing, and it's going to be durable. Now, if you're going to put this pot outside, which I am not, it's going to be an indoor pot, you might want to use a top coat that is meant for outdoors to be in the weather. So even though this is a super durable paint, if it's outdoors in the weather and the sun and the rain and all of that, I would use an outdoor top coat on top of this. So I'm gonna let that dry a couple hours. I took it inside to style it with my new plant stand that I got with this pot. So very good deal for both the pot and the plant stand. And I'm just dropping this in. It fit perfectly, which I was pretty excited about. I'm dropping this into the outer pot that I just painted, and then I'm gonna style it in the corner of my dining room. So I love how this is turning out. Makeover minutes are just those short videos that I do for little projects or pieces of a bigger project. And let's remember what it looked like to begin with, and now what it looks like now in the corner of my dining room. I just love it. I love that pothos plant in it and the texture, but still the beautiful neutral color. What did I tell you? So easy and such a nice addition to the plant stand. Looks so much better. So I appreciate you joining me today on my channel. And if you would like to subscribe, hit that bell button and the subscribe button down below, and you will get videos when they come out. So until next time, bye-bye.